and welcome back to the Bluntville Animal Shelter. Today you'll get to meet Maddie, Simon, Tootsie, Princess, Madeline, Marcus, and Malcolm. This is Maddie. She is a 2-year-old pit bull mix. She is a very, very sweet little girl. She loves to play. She's just like a big puppy. She does get along with other dogs, just a little food aggression, which is normal being in an animal shelter, but she's now been with us for a couple of months and is looking for her forever home. She likes to stay pretty active, so she would be good as an indoor-outdoor dog. Here, Maddie. Get it. Good girl. Here, come here. This is Simon. He is a 1-year-old terrier mix. He is the sweetest little baby ever, and look at his tail. He's got the cutest tail. Look at that. He was found running as a stray. We've had him here now about a month. He gets along with everyone, kids, cats, dogs, everybody. Just a sweet little puppy. Squeaky. Simon. Good boy, Simon. Good boy. He's just so easygoing. Here, you want to play? You want to play? Get it. Get it. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Simon really loves to have his belly rubbed. That's his favorite thing in the world. Good boy. Come on. Let's go play. Let's go play here. Go get it. Oh. He's one of those little puppies that just wants to be petted and loved on all day long. But he's been very, very scared here in the shelter, and he desperately needs to get out of here. His little tail's just a wagging. What do you want, Simon? You want your belly rubbed? You want your belly rubbed? This is Tootsie. Tootsie's a Jack Russell mix. She's 5 years old and she's already spayed. And this is her buddy Princess. She's a 4-year-old Pekingese mix and she's already spayed. They have been together for quite a while now, so we would love to see them go to the same home. They don't have to be adopted together, but we would so love for that to happen. They are really sweet little girls. They get along with even bigger dogs. They came from a home that's had big dogs and small dogs. They're okay with kitty cats, and just really sweet little girls. They like to play. Look at that little face. Look, Princess. Come here, Tootsie. Here, Tootsie. But these two have been very well cared for, and the owner just could no longer care for them and had to surrender them to the shelter, so they've been very well taken care of. Ready? Get it. This is Madeline, and these are her babies, Marcus and Malcolm. Madeline is a 1-year-old domestic medium-haired calico, and her little baby boys are 3 months old. Old enough to be adopted. Even Mama still likes to play. Thank you again for viewing Furry Friends on timesnews.net. If you are interested in any of these animals, you can give us a call at 279-2741, or you can come visit them at 380 Massengill Road in Bluntville. Thanks again. See you next week.